Once upon a time, a father had 3 sons. The brothers often argued with each other. The father wanted to teach them an important lesson about getting along. One day, after another quarrel, each of the sons was upset. The father asked one of them to bring him several sticks. The father tied the sticks tightly into bundles and handed them to his son, saying,
Try and break this.
Each son used all his strength, but none could break the bundles. Then the father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. This time, they broke the sticks easily. The father then said,
Do you understand now? When you stay united, you are strong. But when you are divided, you become weak.
The sons understood and stopped arguing. The moral of the story is, unity makes us strong.